Another way that I can look at those three factors is by assigning color. See, I'm creating color a sequential scale, and I'm using high temperature as the color. And if I do that, then I get this. So the color of the dots is no longer the city, the color is the high temperature. But you can now see ice cream sales, shark attacks, and high temperature. So there's lots of different ways that you can tell that story of that data, and you can zoom in and you can see all three of those. And if I wanted to put the city name on those labels, I could do that too. But it allows you so much power with so little code. So it's really quite interesting.